How to add social links to Roblox profile. Adding a social link to Roblox profile is actually quite simple. All you have to do for this is to simply open up your browser, go to roblox.com, or you can also use the Roblox app. Once you go here, you want to simply click on the settings or the gear icon located at the top right hand side, of course, after making sure you're logged in. Then simply go to the option that says settings. Once you go to the option called settings, make sure you're under account info. By default, you will be under account info already. And if you scroll down, you can see social networks where you can add Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and Guilded. Now, depending on what you want, you simply have to paste the profile link. So let's say I want to add a Facebook profile link. First, I'll simply go to facebook.com, and once I navigate to facebook.com, from there, I'll simply come to my profile. Then I'll simply copy the profile link from the top, and then I'll simply come back here and paste it. Similarly, I can continue for Twitter, YouTube, and other stuff, and then just hit the save button right here to save the changes. This way I can add social links to my Roblox profile. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.